Hey, it's me again, Chazzz, and I'm doing a review on the police helicopter. There's two police helicopters. Come with four minifigs. The boxing is very, very cool. It could be designed for instant play. I don't know yet. I got the Toy Story 3 set. It's so lame. It doesn't even work that good. It's really bad. So I'm not interviewing that. I'm only doing Lego. It really stinks. It doesn't even do any of the functions. So this set has 237 pieces. And the set number is 3658, ages 512. There's an ad for the other piece stuff. Some kind of comic. I don't know how it goes. Shoot. Could have killed it. So the car, wait. So the police you get, this guy is the helicopter driver. He has police on the back, 2 pockets on the back, a police badge, walkie-talkie, and a zipper, and 2 other zippers. The opening helmet. Nothing else. The other copter you get, it has a rookie face, white hat, police on the back, 2 pockets on the back, same stuff. The croak, he has a microphone. And the croak you get is gray, has the golden tooth, the grinny face, gray cap, and a $100 bill. This guy has the great grin on his face with the white teeth, the white hat, policeman badge, pocket, nothing else on the back, and whatever this is. I don't know what it is. So the car that you get has red on the back, and slip your money. I was missing a piece on the set, so I had to put that on by. It rolls really good. The cockpit has a red seat and a red steering wheel. So that's it for this car. Now on to the helicopter. It has this new string piece. The wings move good, and that move. They go pretty fast. You have a video camera, so it can turn up and down like the helicopters. There's yellow sticks there and there. It's police 4. I think it goes on the helicopter pad. I have 2 of them both. There's a motor on the back. I'm missing another piece, but stand good. It has a swivel light. The cockpit, this just pops. Wait, does it pop off or not? He has a mug, 2 control panels. Inside, there's nothing much. So, there is a yellow seat, yellow light, 2 red, green there. The set number on it. An air vent, more air vents, another 2 there. That's it for that helicopter, but it does roll good. This book goes up to 19 pages. If you don't believe it, it does. Now this book, whatever you know, it goes 52 pages, 53, 54. 54 pages, or that one. So this is my interview on it. So, bye.